Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your passkey from Google. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is open up a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this. Head on over and sign into your Google account. As you can see, I'm signed in. From here, go ahead and click onto manage your Google account. Now you're going to be taken to your Google account from Now on the left hand side we've got different options. We want to go ahead and click on the security option. Now from here, if we scroll down just a touch, it will say how you sign into Google. Then after that, we can see passkeys and security keys. And I've got 5 passkeys currently saved on this account. So I click onto that, scroll down again. Now you're going to see all your different passkeys. Now to remove one, just go ahead and click on the X and then it will say remove this passkey. You will no longer be able to use this passkey to sign in. You can create a new passkey for this device at any time. From here, click on remove and that's going to remove your passkey from Google.